and today I will tell you about the social work profession, what it is, why it exists, and what it helps people and communities. Social work is a profession dedicated to helping individuals, family, friends, and improve their well-being and overcome challenges in life. It is guided by the Republic Act 4373, the Social Work Law of the Philippines.
Hi everyone, my name is Kalisha Banda, and today I will be discussing about the historical facts of social work. So social work began in the late 19th century and early 20th century. It arises because of industrialization and urbanization that caused poverty, inequality, and social problems. People needed an organized help to improve living conditions, health, and education. Over time, social work became a professional field with trainings, ethical codes, and agencies to support those in need.
Hi everyone, my name is Lori Jane Eldaconso. Today I will discuss about the causes and impacts. Social problems like poverty, abuse, neglect, and discrimination can stop people from reaching their full potential. And this is where social workers step in. They restore dignity, reduce suffering, and empower people in communities. Social workers help improve mental health, family stability, education, and social justice, making society fairer for everyone.
Hi everyone, I am Stella Marie B. Gonzalez, and I will be discussing about the core purpose, values, and the functions of social work. The core purpose of social work is to help people fulfill their potential while promoting the welfare to others. We have 4 social work values include dignity and worth of every person, self-determination, social justice, and respect from diversity. The function of social work include restorative, preventive, and developmental activities helping individuals overcome problems, preventing issues from getting worse, and promoting good for a better future.
Hi everyone, I am Nikki Gutierrez. Today I will be discussing about professional foundation. Social work is guided by professional ethics and principles. Respect for clients, participation of clients in problem and solving. Confidentiality, awareness of cultural and personal values. Social workers balance personal, cultural, and professional values to make ethical decisions while serving clients and communities.
In short, social work is about helping people, promoting justice, and building stronger communities. So the next time you see someone facing new challenges, remember, social work are there to empower, guide, and support them.
Before I end this, I want to leave you with this question. What would you do to help someone reach their full potential today?